Probably going to be a short video. We actually have some rain closing in on us here. Thank goodness for that. We'll take all we can get. The ladies are close tonight, so I didn't have to drive into the pasture far. Right down there past the trees of the gate. What are you looking for there, Big Sally? Huh? Buckterra, looking for some treats. I don't even have any apples with me. Might be a couple crappy ones laying in there. Not very good ones. You want it? You can have it. Really about sitting on one. This is probably better than that one. All yours. There you go. Pac-Man. That's all I had, girls. I'm in trouble. Oh, I don't have any more. Nope, don't have any more. These guys will be, a catch pen is right down there. They will be really easy to lure down to the catch pen. With grain, the whole crew will come along. Apples will bring half of them anyway, but couple weeks away, maybe 3. Depends on, I don't know, if we get some rain and the weather stays nice, could stay up here another month. Never know. No, don't get onto that. No. Don't get into my garbage. That's just water, but the other one's a old brake fluid container. We can't have you chewing on that. Jeepers, everybody's gonna come see us. There's racket up here. Something must be going on. Oh, no, they're starting to push around. Hi, how are you? Well, that one hasn't checked me out for a while. That's a Sutton horse there. Are you snorting? Don't be snorting. Don't be snorty. Nope. Maybe everybody's kind of moving off because this rain's coming in. They know it. They're going to go on the other side of the hill maybe. Down over in the trees, get a little cover. Down in the bottom. Other side of the hill here. You probably don't care, do you? Gonna wash your bee bonnet out. Bigfoot. Nice horse. Don't touch her belly. I learned that much. Do not touch your belly. I don't know if it has something to do with cinch or what, but come on. Don't show me your butt neither. Come on. Come on. I don't trust you anymore. She showed me her butt the other day. Not in a nice way, so I kind of stay away from that. She's so big, one little kick will break your leg like a toothpick. Come on, Bat. Come on. Come on, Bakira. There you go. Well, it's rated pretty good here now. Starting to, so I don't want to ruin my camera. My phone. I suppose I better get back in my pickup and let it dry. We'll take that rain, though. That's for sure. Hope you had a great day wherever you are from the hilltops of South Dakota. This has been the Herd Report.